your dream to fit your reality. Feed your conviction to match your destiny. Because if you want something you have never had, you have to do something you have never done. Hello then, I am Hiya Mahavir from Shekhpura, a small district headquarter located in the land of Buddha and Mahavira, Bihar. I am 19 years old and I am currently pursuing my graduation from Central University of South Bihar. Coming from a family of teachers, I have always been taught to add values to others' life. I'm a girl who is so fierce, fearless and feisty, who holds a lot of dreams in her eyes. My parents introduced me to field of arts, including dance, drama, sports and many other co-curricular activities at a very young age. And soon I started cultivating the passion for these ventures. And doubtless, I excelled fairly well in all of them. That was always witnessed by the huge audience's applause at district, state and ultimately national level. Now coming to some of the beautiful stories and achievements of my alma mater. I was considered to be very participative and dynamic, who holds an active sense of being a learner and a performer. I bagged many awards and placements in most of the competitions, be it of literary corner, like in debates, declamation and elocution, or in the field of arts like acting or dancing. And the most prestigious of all consists of convivial trio of 3 honor. Firstly, I was honored with the Student of the Year trophy and the Best Athlete in the year 2015. And the last glory was of being the best house captain of my school. I acted as lead actress in the Nukkad drama entitled Women Empowerment, hosted by Smile Club of my college in Nepa village at Gaya. In the same time, I feel pride to say that I was adjudged as Miss Fresher. In my college, Central University of South Bihar. So far in the field of sports, I'm a national level taekwondo player and I hold a black belt in it. And I was honored by the Sports Minister of Bihar, Mrs. Sukhda Pandey, for representing my state in National Taekwondo meet and for winning bronze medal in it in Sri Krishna Memorial Hall at Patna. I've also represented my school in state level basketball and volleyball championships. And in volleyball district competition, I was awarded as the best player of Kota district in girls in the year 2016. Talking about modeling, I've always wanted to compete pageants, but never got an opportunity to showcase my talent. And the reason for being so much interest is to give voice to my choices and to be a spokesperson for many causes which needs to be uplifted. Modeling for me is an aura of being bold, sassy and about being yourself. It should reflect in every of my walk I would walk by, and I wouldn't need a sash for people to know that I am Hiya Mahavir. Every step taken on the ramp should be confident, pleasing and authentic. That is what I vision my walk to be. And that's why I chose PhotoFox, because it provides a platform to be in the eyes of many and to showcase myself in a way I've never shown before. My dreams in modeling is not only to be a model, but to use that platform in order to hold a rank of power where everyone listens and concerns about my motive and message I want to show the world. By winning Miss Bihar, I'll be carrying a burning torch whose flame would be of compassion, kindness and generosity. And it would be my greatest honor and responsibility to hold this torch high enough so that everyone could see and feel its light. Again, thanks PhotoFox, my parents, my brother and of course God for giving spark to my dreams and wings to it. And my theory of life is If you look confident, you can pull off anything even if you have no idea what you are doing.